Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the computer and cable so nothing interrupts the restore. First, power off the unavailable iPad, then locate the correct button, home or top/volume, because that determines the recovery sequence. Once done, hold the button and connect the iPad to the computer. Keep holding until the recovery screen appears. You do this to force the device into a state where the computer can communicate with iTunes or Finder. This step bypasses normal boot, letting you erase and reinstall iPadOS. Once the iPad is visible in Finder or iTunes, select it to view recovery options. Choose Restore to perform a full factory reset. Update tries to keep data and may fail if the system is unavailable. The app will download the latest iPadOS firmware and then apply it. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on your connection. Make sure you do not disconnect the cable or interrupt the computer. You do this because the restore replaces corrupted software and removes lock states tied to the current OS. When the restore completes, the iPad restarts and shows the setup assistant. Follow prompts to configure language, Wi-Fi, and Apple ID or skip if you plan to activate later. If activation lock appears, you must enter the Apple ID previously used. This protects stolen devices. If the computer reports errors, try a different cable or port, restart the computer, or re-download the firmware. You do these troubleshooting steps to eliminate hardware or network causes before assuming a deeper hardware fault exists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.